If you've got an iPad, you've probably thought, there's Ikai got to be a better note app than what came with it. But here's the trap. Most free apps are either heavily limited or pushing you toward a paid tier. Over the last month, I tested 7 note-taking apps across real workflows, quick captures, research dumps, daily journaling, and complex project notes. Some surprised me, some didn't. Today, we're cutting through the marketing and showing you exactly what each app does, what it costs you in practice, and which one fits your iPad workflow. Start here because it's free, it's everywhere, and most people don't realize how capable it actually is. Apple Notes syncs instantly across your devices. You can add sketches, images, checklists, tables, and even scanned documents. It's stupidly fast. The catch? It's also stupidly simple. There's no way to organize by tags, no offline first knowledge management, and collaboration is add people to note, not workspace management. If you're just capturing ideas and occasionally referencing them, Apple Notes wins. If you need structure, keep reading. OneNote is the app everyone forgets about. It's free, syncs across Windows, Mac, iPad, and the web. You get true hierarchical organization, notebooks, sections, pages, and OneNote handles rich media, handwriting, and even simple OCR. For students and researchers, this is powerful. The sync is slower than Apple Notes. Handwriting recognition is decent, but not best in class, and the UI feels dated compared to modern competitors. But here's the thing. If you're already in Microsoft's ecosystem and need structure without paying, OneNote is genuinely underrated. Keep is not a note-taking app for serious note-takers. It's a digital notepad that syncs. You get basic formatting, voice notes, quick lists, and that's honestly it. No folders, no complex tagging, no offline first knowledge base. But, and this matters, it's fast. If you're someone who jots down 3 ideas in the morning and moves on, Keep is perfect. It works on iPad, phone, and web with zero friction. Some professionals use it for specific tasks, grocery lists, quick meeting notes, voice memos. Honest take, Keep works best when you're not trying to make it do everything. Notion on iPad is a complicated relationship. The free version gives you unlimited pages, but the iPad app is genuinely clunky for note-taking compared to the web version. You can build databases, link notes, create complex workflows, but the iPad experience feels like an afterthought. If you're already deep in Notion on desktop, adding iPad notes works. If you're starting fresh, the learning curve is steep, and the iPad experience doesn't justify it for pure note-taking. Notion is incredible for systems, but it's not the best note-taking app. Obsidian's free tier on iPad lets you create and edit Markdown notes that sync via iCloud or third-party services. Here's why it's special. Every note can link to every other note, creating a personal knowledge graph. If you're someone who builds on ideas over time, writers, researchers, lifelong learners, Obsidian is addictive. The catch? It requires more setup. Syncing isn't built in for free. You need to use iCloud or another service. Obsidian is for people who want to think deeply about their note system, not people who want to grab an app and go. Evernote used to be the note-taking app. The free tier now limits you to 2 devices and 60 megabytes per month. That's limiting. But Evernote still works if you're willing to upgrade to Plus or Premium. On the free plan, you're not getting the full experience. What you get is basic notes, web clips, and sync across limited devices. If you've already invested years in Evernote, the switching cost might not be worth it. But starting fresh, there are better options that don't make you feel like you're using yesterday's solution. Here's the honest verdict. The best app depends on your actual workflow. Use Apple Notes if you want simplicity and speed. Use OneNote if you need organization and already use Microsoft products. Use Notion if you're building a connected system. Use Obsidian if you're thinking long-term about knowledge. And use Keep if you just need quick captures that sync. There's no universal winner because note-taking isn't universal. It's personal. Test each one for 1 week with your real workflow. Whichever one you forget you're using, that's the right one. The truth about free note-taking apps is that they're all genuinely good now. The differences are about workflow, not quality. What makes an app best for you is which one fits how you actually think. Some of you need speed. Some of you need structure. Some of you need to link ideas together. There's no app that wins all three perfectly, and that's okay. Click the link in the description for a comparison chart that breaks down features side by side. Test the apps, see what sticks, and ignore anyone who tells you there's one right answer. What note-taking feature can't you live without? Comment below and we will build it.